Hey, good morning guys, it's Jim again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick install of the Green Brothers brake linkage. I will show you guys where and why I'm doing it. So we are on the brake side right now, as you can see, and that is the factory brake linkage, which is non-adjustable, and this is the aftermarket one, which is adjustable to help you move this up or down. Now, you don't really need this if you just want to move it up a little bit, because you can adjust it from here. Actually, going to the master cylinder, just kind of pull this back, loosen this nut, and then there is a little, let's see if it does focus there, little ring over here. You just remove and pull the pin back. Then you can adjust this. You just kind of turn it. If you're in front of the bike, you just turn it clockwise to move it out, and the brake pedal will go up exactly like what I did right here. And then back if you want the pedal to go lower. And now you have more distance to apply brake pressure, because if you have a Lowrider ST, or I'm not sure about the S, there's almost no brake at the rear. You have to push it like all the way down to even slow the bike down. But I mean, you use the front brakes for the most part, but I like using this one on this Harley. So anyway, I switched to mini floorboards, so it makes it even harder to reach if the brake pedal is here. Like from the factory, it's like right here, so I have to like reach forward and push all the way down, so I had to adjust it. Okay, now the reason why I bought the adjustable one, even though I was able to do that, is because this part right here where the nut is, it's threaded like all the way, and I feel like I'm maxing it out. You can't see it because I'm only using a phone as a camera, but I probably have like 1 or 2 threads left at the end, and I'm afraid with the vibration or whatever, probably won't move because there's a pin, but it's just my OCD. So what I'm gonna do is twist it counterclockwise back to stock, like 5 turns, and this should put my pedal like back here. And then I will install this. It's only 2 screws, well, in there, actually maybe 3 right here. And then now I can adjust it up or down without actually moving this one. It's really close to the master cylinder. I don't think anything wrong is gonna happen, but like I said, it's just my OCD. I want it in stock configuration and be able to adjust this still. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'll be able to take a video of the install part, but I already explained it, so I might just have a photo or a short video after this. Okay, might be a little loud because my neighbors are doing some work, but let's do this. Get it ready for install. Like I said, it's only 3 bolts or screws, whatever you want to call them. Okay, let's pull this out. Move this one. Stock linkage, aftermarket linkage. Let me put it back. Same way I removed it. Hopefully. Make sure it's tight. Should be tight enough. Easier with an extension. Okay. Twist it back in place. Okay. Cool. Might raise it up a little bit, but just so you guys can see. And then screw this back on. That's it. So as you can see, there it is. It's perfect, easy to install. And I already adjusted this. Now it's back to like how I got it from the factory. So yeah, that was easy. And I hope you guys like it. I don't know, click like, subscribe, comment if you'd like. See you on the next video. Bye.